Butter noodles make me so happy. They're so tasty and they're so simple to make at the same time. You can have them as a main meal or you can have them as a side dish. And if you have them as a side dish, they really go with any other food or any other meal. The noodles we'll use today are extra wide egg noodles. This is a 16-ounce container and our cook time is going to be 8 to 9 minutes, but your noodles might take a different time to cook. You're probably going to find your cook time on the side of your container. You need to put your noodles in a pot of boiling water so they would cook. Now, you need to stir up all your noodles so they won't clump up together. Once you've strained your noodles, it's now time to add 6 tablespoons of softened butter. Stir the butter in. Now we add 1/3 of a cup of finely chopped parsley. Now we add 1/2 cup of green onions. There we go. Now we add 1 teaspoon of garlic sea salt. Then we add 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Our final step is to sprinkle some shaved Parmesan cheese on top of our butter noodles. There we go. Looks really good. I can't wait to try it out and eat it. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any new recipe ideas that I haven't tried out before, let me know in the comments below. See you later.